And we're live. Not live, but I have it on a single camera, like POV rather than 360 right now.
Yeah. I swear the things we do for photography.
I know, right? Anything for the shot, right? Oh my god, dude. Just even in here.
We die like men.
This is crazy.
Well, just get stuck in here.
These just don't work anymore.
Bro.
Frozen shut. Honestly, I just drive up onto this. Hope I don't hit something. All right. Dude, yeah. The streetcars, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Good on Kansas City for getting all the rails cleaned. That's something. Oh, I don't have my settings on right. I'm gonna go high aperture to try and get some of the snow. All right. All right.
The fact that there's
Let's
even
get
still
it.
people out here right now.
Dude, for real. I mean, I guess we are out here.
It's completely irrelevant.
Let's get it. Oh man. Taps on main. Oh, I gotta get behind him.
You know what we might have to do?
What's that?
We can get up to the top of
He just ran.
From that side.
Yeah.
By the memorial. We can get to the Casey Love shot from over here in the snow.
That is true.
Be able to actually see the city though, the way everything is right now.
Yeah, that'd be lit. This is so weird being able to just walk on the road like this.
Kind of gives you like the end of the world vibes.
Yeah, for real. Honestly, brings you back to COVID-19.
Oh man, that was a disaster right there.
This is what I was doing during COVID.
Check this out.
Oh. Damn, that's a good shot, bro.
Can't even see nothing though.
I'm not trying to do focus mode, I'm trying to view my photos. There we go.
I guess be a shout out to Sony. Check out the weather sealing on cameras, I guess.
Yeah, for real. Ah, dang it. It's so hard to have the dexterity I need. Interesting. Wow. What time is it? About like
It's
1?
close to 1.
This it really won't get bad until like 5 or 6. So
I don't know if we're gonna survive until then.
we can always go back to the car until then, whenever we're done for now. Oh, here comes the snowplow. Oh, here, you want to take this?
Yeah.
Film me. I'm gonna do this. Like that. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah. Oh god.
Getting a good shot there?
I don't know. More like warm-up shots if anything.
Yeah, same here. Are you getting the streetcar tavern thing?
Didn't come out in that one, but
I'm gonna ruin this perfectly good snow. I don't know. It's a little bit more challenging to get a good shot than I was kind of thinking. Definitely a good exercise.
just got to use the viewfinder.
Oh, I gotta get this. I'm gonna. You see the vision?
Possibly.
Probably gonna like crop that in. Nice. It's crazy out here.
It's crazy. Comes the snowplow.
Hell yeah. You wanna take this again?
Sure.
Oh, that's the fancy new one. That's the one I was talking about that cleans these.
Really? Anthony, if you get run over, I'm not gonna rescue you.
I know.
I'll save the camera though.
Hell yeah. Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah. It's throwing me off because I can't see on the screen.
Yeah. There we go.
You know what's crazy to me?
It's hard to press that button.
Is that I know why we're out here.
Yeah.
But why is everybody else out here?
For real. Makes no sense. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. I'm gonna have to. Hell yeah. Look at all the snow, man. And to think it's only gonna get worse.
I swear, if we don't see no thunder, I'm gonna be so
Yeah. Gonna like get the horizon line on there good. Nice. There's cars coming behind you.
Let's get into power and light, kind of see what's blocking looking like over there with the snow.
That's a good idea. Oh. All dripped out. Dripped out for the snow.
Rocking the Carhartt.
Facts.
That's gotta be like such a Midwest thing.
What's that?
Such a Midwest thing.
Yeah.
End of the world. I promise you, everybody's wearing a Carhartt.
Oh, for sure. Sadly, I don't have any Carhartt.
You know, you didn't need to put that part out there.
Yo, what? They got like beer kegs over there. Oh my gosh. Perfect shot. Hold up. Hell yeah. Staying warm over there underneath the vents. Oh man. It's wild.
Oh yeah. All right, baby. It just looks like a giant thing of fucking dust, I guess.
Yeah, for real. Oh yeah. Look at the Huskies.
Huskies.
See, that's a person that's out here for a reason, like us.
Absolutely. The Huskies look like they're just loving it.
For real. Love the Huskies, man. Oh. A winter wonderland.
Literally.
My autofocus is having a hard time.
That's the snow.
Post up. Hold up. We'll do some more down here.
Got the lady in the trench coat.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Trench coat gang. Oh, that's a ditch.
Hey, check out the freeway from over here.
Oh, dude. How you guys doing? Mind if I get a picture? Hey, right on.
Sure.
Hey, you guys want one together?
Yeah.
Right on. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Heck yeah, guys.
Smiled, but can't tell.
I'm smiling too. You can't tell. Have a good day, guys. They're going slow.
Probably look like a giant snowball right now.
Nah. Look majestic.
Flatter me.
You know I do what I can.
Remember when
Oh, dude.
remember when I took that epic shot of you in the rain under the
Yeah.
some of that, no?
Dude, the lights under the in the tunnels with the snow and cars.
Yeah.
Eh?
That might be a little tricky.
Actually, yeah, that's good. I don't know if I like that
hard.
idea. Yeah. Starting to pick up again. A little bit. Here comes the streetcar.
Does it?
Yeah. Do like 35. And maybe 50 mil. 50 mil it is. Yeah.
I think I know what shot I want to take.
Okay.
One I usually take a lot, but the snow is different up on this side of the corner by H&R building.
Dude, that looks scary. Oh man. I should have done some long exposure. Is the other one gonna come? Probably at some point. One over 13 F22.
I'm at 1/500, F4. For my ISO 160.
Is that the streetcar or is that just a bus?
I have no idea. That's just a plus. Anyway.
Snow's coming right in our faces.
It is. At least you brought the face man.
Yeah, for real.
I didn't feel like being on your jet today.
Yeah, I still feel pretty comfortable, not gonna lie. That's something. Dude, this is so thick. Crazy. The Jeeps always have the most fun in this weather. Oh man. How quickly do you think that streetcar is gonna be here pretty quickly? I'm gonna just get ready for that. I'm gonna get this shot here in a minute. Cause I have the settings on for a long exposure pan. Hey.
Oh.
See how this works. Might have gotten some. We'll see.
Where you at?
1 over 13. F22. Looks a little bright, but
Might
we'll
not,
see.
it might not look what you want it to. Oh, okay. Never mind.
Let's get this now. Too zoomed in. Maybe try and get try and get super low here. All right. Honestly wish more snow was getting kicked up by the all right.
It's like having layers of graves until you start to feel like you're dying.
Yeah. The face mask is nice, but after a while I start getting out of breath and it's like, but you know, it is what it is. Where do you want to head next? Do you want to walk around here more? Or?
Isn't that park right above our heads?
I think so.
I've never been up there though before.
Okay. I don't know necessarily if we can get up because sometimes they have it like locked in a weird way, but protein house here. It's like right past the Genesis, the last Genesis sign.
Really?
Yeah, you see the blue and
Yeah.
park.
Is that what that says?
Yeah, the park with the park on top. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go with that.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Where did you want to go though?
Well, I wouldn't mind checking it out if it's open, but the drum room's like right over here too.
Okay.
That might be a cool shot right
So,
now
man.
while it's snowing. The drum room's closer. Let's just go there real quick.
Yeah, let's go there. I'm surprised how many people are out here.
Oh, really?
I almost slipped. Those tracks are,
The one guy that didn't bring boots.
yeah. Didn't really bring boots to this occasion, but they're old shoes anyway. I mean, they might be valuable. I have no idea.
First snowstorm, Kansas City of the year.
Right.
Trying to do a POV.
But couldn't find the harness, so we're vlogging it now.
Just winging it.
I mean, it still counts as POV.
Absolutely.
It's just a POV vlog.
So the things we
Honestly, I should have left the backpack.
yeah, I decided to travel light for this.
That one's it's getting a little heavy.
75 will do justice.
You know, I got the Peter McKinnon on though. Peter McKinnon backpack. This thing's indestructible, dude.
I want one. Well, I mean, there's a lot of backpacks.
One of my
I
exes
want.
bought me it for
Leave that
Christmas.
part out. That's it
Nah.
here, but
Oh yeah, I love this place. Here we go. Third time's a charm. Oh, missed it. Oh, dude. They're right in front of the steam back there. Probably like, oh, I am already at 70. Oh, it's kind of cool. Oh, this is sick though. Dude, these are gonna be so fun to edit.
I hope so. I don't know.
Oh man. This is some like sandy snow.
Fluffy.
Yeah. Straight powder.
Oh, I guess we're getting closer to that part.
Yeah.
Can't go around. Kind of officially say I walked downtown in the snowstorm.
Yeah. No, 100%. We have bragging rights now. Some pretty difficult compositions. Although this is sick.
Somebody just left it.
Yeah.
Want me to take a turn with it?
Yeah, might as well.
You ever notice the stairways right there?
Yeah, yeah. I'm pretty sure the there's a room up there that burnt down. Not the whole top floor, but like half
What?
the top floor burnt down. Like
For real?
yeah, like a long time ago. But there's something about that staircase. I was like involved. Like they either had to use it or whatnot. Yard house. Open.
Everything's closed.
We're closed due to the weather and look forward to having you down with us.
Why'd that guy in the front not look amused?
Yeah, right? He does not want to be out here today.
Why did that guy?
Hey, good on him for
Oh God!
driving though.
Try not to die. Oh, I guess I never noticed that park sign there.
Yeah. Might be able to do something cool with that in editing. Drag out the
Yeah.
sides of it. Make it look like it's going fast. Do you want to take the streetcar at some point?
We can.
I think we could take photos from.
You know, I wonder how City Market looks right now.
That is true. That probably looks pretty cool.
So the park is up there, huh?
Yeah, see where the park
Yeah.
is there? Yeah, there's a park up there. We should definitely try and hit that
Let's
up.
go up there.
Yeah. It's all one person just going.
I guess I never actually noticed the trees on top of a building before.
Yeah. I mean, granted, it's a lot harder to see the trees in fall and winter. Springtime and summertime, yeah. Definitely up there. I know it's cool.
See, the snowflakes are really coming down now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm not doing too bad yet.
No.
Got 42% battery left.
Yeah, I'm still at like 90s.
Nice.
Got the upgraded batteries from Sony finally.
Finally.
When they switched
Oh,
up.
yeah. Bottom of my shoe just got soaked for some reason.
Oh. So you go through the parking garage? Or?
Yeah, you can. There's here. That one. Never mind. Should be able to get up there. You can take the elevator room. It's like right there.
Good. Might as well.
Yeah.
Excuse us. How you doing? Oh, so this is the door.
Yeah. We could take the stairs, but
What is it, the very top floor?
Yeah, might as well.
Is it like 6?
Yeah.
What y'all doing? Creating content?
You know it.
Yeah.
Just going put some street photography in this mayhem.
We're gonna put on YouTube?
Yeah, for sure.
What's your name?
Mixin Media, MIX.
Mixin Media?
Yeah. Appreciate you, man.
You shoot videos?
I do some video, yeah. I mainly do concerts. Let's see if we can.
There it is.
Oh, heck yeah, we can. Usually they have this lock. Peace out, guys. Oh, look at them go.
I think she's done. Like her feet are getting cold.
So you've never been up here?
Dude, no, surprisingly.
Cool spot.
It's my first time actually up here. And I guarantee nobody's walked by or light as much as I have. That's the sad part.
And if you go down here, we should be able to.
Nobody's walked.
Oh, my battery's low now. It went from 42 to 0.
The cold?
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. Having fun?
You having fun?
I love how the husky's just chilling, like.
Right? He's enjoying himself. Husky butt.
Wanna hang on to this for a sec?
Yeah. There we go.
Oh.
Fluffy boy. Hello. Oh man, so cool being up here. Try and get this butt. Oh, okay. Hey guys. This is cool.
Yeah.
Oh, they got a train cart there, dude. I think I'm ready to go.
Yeah, so.
All right,
try going
let's
this
try
way.
it. Yeah.
I think sometimes it puts it in perspective. You see how many of the homeless are still out here, you know?
Yeah, for real. Honestly, might kind of want to go back there and take a picture of that discreetly. Homeless people in the tunnel or in the hallway. Wonder where this goes. What's that?
You want to put a filter on?
Nah, I'm chilling. Literally chilling. Oh yeah. Oh, that was terrifying. I don't know where the fuck this is leading us, but just a sketchy exit sign, that's all. Right?
About the exit?
And as far as we go. I don't know. Oh man, nobody's used this door all day.
Somebody's died in there.
Whoa, where are we indeed? Oh, Cole, hold that door. Shit. Fuck. Oh, nope, that's shut. That's locked. Hello, bird.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, indeed. At least I got that radio. Oh, it is padlocked. Shit. Hello? Damn it. Oh, that might actually. Oh, thank goodness. There we go.
That was not part of the plan.
That was not part of the plan at all. All right, so we were up there.
We learned something new today.
Yeah. Don't trust that thing. Don't go down that exit. Not doing that again. Snow is flying. It's almost blowing the camera out of my hand. Oh. Oh man. All right.
This is the streetcar to Union Station. Next stop, Conference Center.
Thank you. There we go. Heck yeah. Never know. I photographed a concert in that place, Lula's.
Is that just an event space?
It's the Southern Kitchen.
It is?
Yeah, Lula's Southern Kitchen and event space, but yeah. Well, it's not really an event space. They just have like an upstairs kind of thing.
Wait, so it's a restaurant?
Yeah. Southern comfort food.
Really?
Yeah.
I never really knew that. They don't really promote
They had
it as a
some
restaurant.
good food there for the show. It was Malik and the Vibes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They had some really good food there. I don't know if it was necessarily Lula's, but I imagine it was.
Could be an adventure.
Yeah. All right.
Let's just take a break for a second.
Yeah, and we are taking a break.